Hey, what's up, everyone? And I just wanted to welcome you to not an RSVOT scripting tutorial, but something even better, because this is my Java programming book for RSVOT. So yeah, this is actually a Java programming book. It has, at the moment, 42 pages, covering content. Um, Well, it has an introduction, Java and RSVOT, object-oriented programming, setting up the client and the IDE and so on. And then an introduction to Java, some more advanced Java and object-oriented programming. Our first script, the objects in RSVOT, and then a few important methods such as checking for where you are, walking, banking, interacting with objects, HTML, a few important and interesting methods you may want to use in your script, and finally a script appendix. And this, what the script appendix is, it's just a few pages, well, lots of pages where we create a script from scratch. So yeah, if we take a look at that script, for example, that's okay. So we'll now be creating a Baroque West minor script to fix into our brains, walking, banking, interacting with objects, and we'll only use a few simple methods. In fact, we won't be using the plain area method, but that's something different. So yeah, I started up with the imports and the script manifest, and then we define the class implementing panes and civil message listener. These two aren't yet added to the script. They'll be added in the next lesson, and we may notice up here we're on the version 2.2, and I'm just now working on version 2.3 where I'll add the paint listener. So yeah. Then we've got the on start, the on finish, and the loop, and you see there are lots of comments around where I explain everything. And if we go to the next page, then I've got another introduction. We've seen the previous page, the structure. Now we'll add the variables. So we omit most of the script and we just add the variables. The variables we've got are main R styles, which are the locations of the mining ores, and then the IDs of the ores, and I've also got a screenshot here explaining the debugging options, the IDs of the pickaxes and the booth, and so on. We've got then user input. We use the HTML, which is explained previously, together with some Java code here to get some user input. And then we create the loop, some of the methods, some more methods, and finally we just finish. And I explain some things you need to know, so you can't copy and paste from this script here. You have to write it on your own, because the coding marks, such as these ones, won't work together with the IDE. You have to write them on your own, because Microsoft Publisher, with which I create this book, changes the double coding marks into something different, which don't work with the IDE. So this is my Java programming book, and this video is just for some promotion and just to let you know about it, because I've received some feedback. This is my forum here. I received some good feedback saying that it was really good. So you may see here some of my vouchers. People saying it was good, it was sent in time, and the clarity and descriptions quality is extremely high. And this is praise for this. Thanks. So yeah. You may want to register at my forum. The link is below, but if not, scripting.fsf.on-web.com/forum.index.php. If you omit the index.php, it will still work. And then when you register, you can access this section here, and then you'll just know how to send the payment. And as soon as you send the payment, and well, I'd suggest reading through this. As soon as you read through this, send the payment, I'll send you the book. And that's pretty much it. I think it's something useful, because it explains not only the R Smart scripting areas, but also the Java areas, which are sometimes vital to script correctly. And if not, you may just want to register here in my forum, where there are a few scripting tutorials. We've got an index, but then we've got walking, the Java keywords, structure in your loop, R style arrays, banking, setting up the IDE, try catch blocks, and of course my programming book. We've also got some scripts. We've released free and paid scripts, and you can request scripts. I'll be working on the requests this summer, and then you can ask for help, and if not, just chat around with the community. We've got 92 members for the moment, and yeah, that's pretty much it. So I hope you buy a book. I'm basing some of my income on that. And if not, I just hope you come and join us and become an active member, and of course gain some knowledge and get some help from the forum, myself and other active members there are. So that was it. Thanks for watching, and I hope you learned something. I'll see you on the next one.